What's up, guys? It's Gage and welcome back to another video. And you probably just noticed I am somewhere else. I'm not in my recording studio. I'm not in my room. I am actually in my brother's room today because his room's a lot bigger than mine and there's a lot more space to do what I'm going to do today. Alright, so today I have a remote control right here. And so let me turn it on. And let me turn this thing on down here. I've been practicing this for a while. Alright, let's go. Alright, so you're probably wondering, I am flying this helicopter. I'm not really good at it. Like every time I try to fly it, like it just goes up and hovers and it just falls to the ground. Lift off. It just keeps falling. I was doing pretty good earlier. Here, let me move my camera over here to the bed. Alright. Alright. Can you guys see it? And you probably hear a farting sound. It's not me farting, it's just my case on my camera when I adjust it. It's squeaky. Alright. It's about to fall off the bed. Okay. Look how it landed. Look at that. It's cuckoo. It's a longer video than normal. Grab that. And lift off. Now you're going over there. As you can see, guys, I'm not very good at this. Alright, lift off. And every time it crashes, it makes like a beeping sound. Why won't you lift off the ground? I think I broke it. My cat is here trying to eat it. Oreo? What are you doing? She's hiding under bed. She's scared of it. There we go. I think I need to charge this for a little while. Yeah, it died. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please smash that like button with your helicopter. And if you do, right after you smash it, crash your helicopter into the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye.